I've got a real quick video here of how you can stow your DBF-45 Bigfoot for the Festool domino inside of a Systainer, and it won't rattle around and you won't bang up the metal or anything like that. Real easy. Flip it upside down like this. Set it right there in that corner, and what's neat is that the plastic handle is resting on top of the other parts on that. The only thing that the metal part is touching is just the sides of the inside of the Systainer. Real easy. That's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, as always, put them down there below. I answer every single one.